scene, half machine, whole queen. Sparks fly when I tap in. Chrome mind with a melanin skin. AI body born to win. This the future, let me begin. La, 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 la.
All right, babe. It's time to put your pen pad on and create an AI baddie that looks fine, sells fantasy, and makes money all day. Now, before we get started, let me save y'all some headache real quick. One thing about this process is getting the prompts right can be annoying as hell. A lot of mainstream AI platforms make it difficult to even get the type of wording you need for this niche. So to make your life easier, I already did that part for you. I put together a full prompt list that you can use as your foundation, and it'll be posted right below or beside this video depending on where you're watching from. If you're watching from YouTube, sorry boo, you should join the community. It's only $5. Link is in my bio. So if you don't feel like sitting there struggling trying to figure out what to type, baby, just grab the prompts I gave you and start there. Use them exactly as they are, or tweak them to match your vision. Either way, I wanted to make this as plug and play for y'all as possible. Now, with that out the way, let's get into actually building your influencer. Alright, babe, so first things first. We're gonna head on over to Venice AI. Now, Venice is the platform we're using to generate our starter images because it gives you way more creative freedom than a lot of mainstream AI tools. And one thing I thought was really dope after playing around in here a little more. Venice actually has a pretty cool reward setup built in. They have a referral program where if you invite someone to join, both of y'all get $10 in credits. So the person referring gets credit, and the person signing up gets credit too. Which I thought was fire because if you end up liking the platform and putting other people on, you can stack credits just by sharing it. They also have their own token ecosystem if you're into that kind of thing and want to explore that side of the platform deeper. Now, me personally, I'm here for the AI tools, baby, not the crypto lesson. But I wanted to mention it because some of y'all may be into that. As far as pricing goes, their basic pro plan starts around $18 a month, and that gives you access to all pro models, unlimited text prompts, and around 1,000 image generations per day. So honestly, that's pretty solid for what you're getting. They do have higher plans if you need more credits and features. Venice will let you create a couple of images for free. That's exactly what I did. Now Venice works similar to ChatGPT. You can type prompts. You can describe exactly what you want. And you can even use reference images if you need help guiding the look. Me, I use a reference image, and I uploaded it and asked Venice to create a new photo of a new woman that looks exactly like the woman in the photo, but make her African American. And boom, it gave me this photo. Then I asked it to use the same girl and give me a different pose, and bam, it came up with this. I tried to create another one, and it told me that I had reached my limit for free generation, and I must subscribe. So I was satisfied with those images, but you can subscribe, regenerate, and refine until you get your perfect images. Once you get the perfect image, don't stop there. Keep refining. Change angles, change outfits, change poses, change environments. What you're doing right now is building your content bank. You can also bring those images to life directly inside of Venice AI using their video feature. But since I have a subscription with Dzine, and that's what we use mostly in my community, I'm going to take my 2 images and head over there. Now we're inside Dzine. And if you're part of my community already, then baby, you already know all about this app. But just in case you're new here, let me give you a quick breakdown of what we're about to do next. Once you get inside Dzine, you're going to go over to Consistent Character, and then click Build Your Character. Now once you get there, you have 2 options. You can either start from scratch with a prompt, or upload images to train the software. Since we already created our influencer images in Venice, we're going to go ahead and upload those. Now, quick little pro tip. The more images you have, the easier it is for the software to keep your character on brand and consistent. More references usually means better results. Now, me personally, I only created 2 for this example, so that's what I'm going to use today. Once your images are uploaded, you're going to train the software and let Dzine learn your character. And once that process is done, baby, that's when the fun starts. Because now you can use your character to instantly create new photos, new videos, new scenes, new outfits, whatever content you want to make. At this point, your goal is simple. Create as much content as possible. Build up your page. Make your influencer look active. Make them look real. Make them look poppin'. And now, this is where it gets spicy. We're going to generate one of these images and we're going to flip this little switch down here. Once you turn that from non-explicit to explicit, baby, whew, use your imagination. That one little button changes everything. Now, of course, because I love y'all and I'm not about to have you struggling, I also included some extra spicy prompts for you too. Real good ones. So get creative, experiment, and start building out your content library. But quick disclaimer, if you post your spicy content inside this community, please make sure all private areas are covered up. I'm trying to help y'all get to the bag, not get the whole community flagged, okay? Now also keep in mind, to use this feature and unlock uncensored content creation, you do need the $59 Dzine plan. That's the plan that gives you access to this feature, along with the video credits and unlimited image generations. So if you're serious about building this out the right way, that's the plan you're going to need. Now go get to creating, go build your superstar, go get to this money. And when your AI baddie starts printing checks, don't forget who taught you, baby.